Do you like to watch decompression videos? This is definitely a favorite of obsessive-compulsive disorder. Today's cleaning is a Scania semi-trailer. Yo, don't underestimate this thin layer of dust on the body of the car. He is like a stubborn armor. At first glance, it seems inconspicuous, but in fact, he has amazing adhesion. They slept with the truck all the way, absorbing the dust raised by the road. The power of vehicle exhaust, even mixed with a trace of oil. Under the sun and wind for a long time, dust slowly dries and ages. Fits tightly to the surface of the carriage. Even after the softening and decomposition of the bath solution, he won't be easily pressured. Rinse the water gun. Of course, this is rougher than the body paint. It's also related. They're kind of integrated with the truck. Stubborn to hold their ground. Only by coming to a large car wash like this. Let the car washers use professional equipment and solvents to restore the truck to its original appearance. Let's take a look together. How do car washers work their magic? Little by little, I'm just going to start holding on to this dust on the car body. Remove it slowly. Uh-huh. With the close cooperation of the masters for more than an hour, clean Scandinavian, the Nia semi-trailer takes on a new look. The body shines with the unique luster of metal. The car paint that was originally covered by dust is undoubtedly revealed. Refraction bright light in the sun, black tires. The wheels are also exquisite, and the carriages are very clean and tidy. Every detail has been carefully handled. It's like being reborn. Quietly help there. Scandinavian, the unique charm and heroic style of the Nia semi-trailer. Thank you for your support. See you next time.